Hello students, welcome back in our grammar class. Let's continue our topic that relates to tense and today we are going to discuss classroom assignment 55 relates with present perfect tense. Here is our first exercise. Fill in the blanks using the present perfect tense of the verb given in the bracket. The principal has already announced. With principal, that's our singular subject, that's why we use has here, and announced verb third form is there. In second sentence I is there, that's why we write have here. Not stolen verb third form is there. In third sentence the river, according to our subject we use helping verb has here. Overflowed verb third form is there. Moving to our next four sentence, with you we use have here. Note told. Moving to our B exercise, we have to rewrite the sentences in negative form. For converting a sentence into negative, we use not here after helping verb. Sanjeev has not lost his book. I have not travelled by train. We have not brought the first aid box. Next C exercise, we again have to rewrite the sentences in the interrogative form. Simple sentences are there or negative sentences are there, and we have to convert those sentences into interrogative form. First one is there, I have, that's our simple sentence, means affirmative sentence. To convert it into interrogative form, we have to write helping verb first, then subject is there. Have I. In second sentence, we write have you. In third sentence, has Pavan got down from the train. D exercise, rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative form. Okay, we have to convert these sentences into affirmative. They may be interrogative or they may be negative. First one is there, John has bought new books. This becomes an affirmative sentence. Second sentence, we put cross on not and this sentence become affirmative. She has learnt French. Third one is there, have you, that's our interrogative sentence, and for converting it into affirmative, we have to write you have eaten all the pasta. E exercise, complete the following sentences with appropriate form of verb in the brackets. Verb is there and we have to complete the sentence. First one is there, have you seen this movie? No, I haven't got a chance so far. Second one, how long have you known? With you, we use have here and verb third form is there. I have known her for 2 years. Now moving to our next sentence. How was Soumya's result this year? She has shown tremendous improvement. With she, we use has here and verb third form is there. How is Tilak doing at the boarding school? I have just received his letter. He is fine. Next sentence, why are you in the bed at this time? Doctor has advised me to rest. With doctor, we use has here and verb third form is there. In next part, we have to put tick against the grammatically correct sentence and cross against incorrect one. Means we have to put the tick mark against the right sentence and we have to put cross in front of the incorrect sentence, and also we have to correct that sentence also. First is there, do you lost your boot? With at the place of do, we use have here. Verb third form is there, that's why we use have helping verb there. It means we have to put cross in the box. Second sentence, they have left for Kolkata. That's our right sentence. Third sentence, at the place of did, we have to use have. You taken my pen. Fourth sentence, that's correct sentence. I have not heard for him for a long time. Last sentence, I have been to the dentist. Now, moving to our next line. We have to complete the following conversation by filling in the correct form of verb given in the brackets. There is a conversation between two persons and we have to complete this conversation by using the verbs given in the brackets. First one, I have not seen your brother. Has he gone? Second sentence, yes, he has gone to America. Next one, has his wife also gone with him? Rahul, no, she hasn't. She has applied for immigration and is waiting for the visa. Next, how long does it take to get the visa? Well, the embassy usually takes 6 month time, but this time it has taken very long to process the visa. That's all about the exercise.